So in this week video tutorial, I'm going to simply show you how to fix black screen on Android. So if your Android device just suddenly starts showing black screen, you're trying to operate it or do other things, but you're unable to do that, then this video is actually going to help you. So the first step you need to take in order to fix this issue is to make sure that your device is charged. So you can actually connect it first to a charger like this. Just simply go ahead and connect it to a charger to make sure that it is charging. So this device is not actually having this issue. I'm using it for example. So once you connect it to your device, you'd be able to see the charging and your device is actually going to turn on. So if this is not the case, you can actually go ahead and force restart the device. You can actually do that by tapping on your power button. Just hold your power button steady like this and you'd be able to force restart your device. Once you hold it for a very long period of time, you'll be able to force restart the device and the device is going to turn off by itself. So once you do this, the device is actually going to turn on and start by itself. Now doing this is actually going to help to resolve the issue and fix the black screen on your Android. So this is how simple it is for you to fix black screen on Android. Hope you found this guide helpful. Now hit the like button, subscribe and hit notification bell. It has always been Daniel on App Fix and End channel. See you in the next one.